from the boy.
Good afternoon, young boy.
Good afternoon, Father.
Will you please show me the way to us?
Oh yes, of course, Father. This is the way as you go along we reach the parish.
Thank you, my son.
You are welcome, Father.
I am going to walk you.
Father, there is no use. This party is dead.
What do you mean?
We are not going to church anymore. Others are busy only in drinking and gambling and live known places.
Who then used to go to church?
Only the priest alone in the parish ever in church the last talk to read.
Well, you show me the way to us, I will show you the way to heaven.
Come, I will take you there.
When Father Vianney entered the church, he saw that the church was dirty and disordered. Without second thought, he started to clean the church and make it in order. He then prepared the altar and lighted the candles. When Father Vianney was busy cleaning the church, there were a few groups of people who came to the church, not to pray, but for mocking and insulting Father Vianney.
Come, let us go to the parish. I saw an old man came after any priest. Ha 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 ha! Look, he is cleaning the church. You think that he continues? Ha 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 ha!
He is trying to show the smart because he's just come.
There are so many clever priests came and gone. There is no change. What can this be? What can this be? The priest to her.
Father Vianney knelt down in front of the crucifix and started to pray.
Oh Jesus, Lord, you have sent me out to walk in this place. Thank you that I have reached your safe and sound. I beg you to help me draw in these people. May I be your instrument to touch them.
On one hand, when Father Vianney was deeply immersed in prayer, the group of people came to peep and started making fun of him.
What he is doing there?
He is kneeling. Ulman is punishing himself.
Let him stay alone. Come, let us go away.
No. Wait. I am feeling something in my heart. To see this father praying. Let me just go nearer. I too want to look closer.
In this way, one after the other started to follow, and soon all the group of people were finally kneeling down before the crucifix along with Father Vianney.
My beloved brothers and sisters, man has a noble task, that is prayer and love. It is our duty to live a life of charity and virtue, and prayer never leaves us without sweetness. If you find it impossible to pray, hide behind your good angel and charge him to pray in your stead. In the name of the Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Amen. God bless you.
And in this way, Father Vianney's method of being a priest was simple, and as a result, ours was completely cleansed and has transformed from a materialistic, greedy place to a godly, prayerful, and pilgrimage place. But thousands of people will travel to ours every year to attend his mass to unconfess their sins. Thank you.